6th energy drink. Getting wound up for tonight. It's gonna be a good time. It'll be a real good time. Woo! Yep. Okay.
Moved him again.
Yeah.
There he is. There's another one right there with him. Right, just get on that other one. See that other one? See him?
Yep. There he goes.
Well, what we're doing tonight is we're just out and about. We're trying out the new deadeye tripod system from Predator Tactics. It's a new tripod that we got. We got the 17 WSM and we got the night raid light on here. And what our goal was tonight was to take a fox, a coyote, or some raccoons. So the first thing we come into was a whole mess of raccoons. I'll be daggone if I didn't kill 3 right here in the same spot. Got a triple. First time ever using the tripod. Exactly what we got here is a deadeye system. Right, Jamie?
That's right.
I mean, I was steady as all get out. You can see right here the gun's just sitting there and I got it latched in. And I mean, all you got to do is pull the trigger, let Predator Tactics do the work. 3 down, man. That's awesome. We're going to go pick them up. We're out here coon hunting. And I got this 17 WSM and I was not going to make a shot unless the coon was up against the tree to where the tree was a backstop. And that's exactly what I got. And I killed a trio. I got 3 of them down. Going out here to pick them up. Get out my laborer light, used for retrieval, and I want y'all to come with me.
Here they are. They always fall in the best spot. You shouldn't be moving, but you never know.
I'd laugh when them ran up your arm.
Dang on, that's a big old coon there. Two of them. Oh, this one's big. Ready? Double here, and I got one over here on the ground somewhere.
I'll tell you what, I love these headlights. We'd never found them without that.
No. Jamie?
Red to white.
Here, I'm gonna throw you some stuff.
Back to red. I'll tell you what though, switching from white to red really changes the way you can see stuff too, because that one over there, I didn't see it till I went red for some reason in this thick stuff.
I tell you what I like too is this labor light, because this sunbuck here, I mean, this is just a mess where they're laying, but look at these briars. If you ain't on track, I lost my bearings because I shot 1 over there and 2 over here. I got spun up. But without these lights, there's no way you're finding these coons out here. That's for sure. This one is a beast, dude.
That's that one I seen run across that field. I thought it was a fox.
Path right here, Brady. This little path right here.
So you mean I just jumped the fence and you walk through it?
Where's number 3?
Number 3's right here somewhere. Well, there y'all have it. First night out with the 17 WSM and the Predator Tactics tripod, the deadeye.
And this night raid light on top of this gun lit them up. I mean, I could see them clear as day.
We spotted them out, what, 200 yards probably or more?
Yeah, it was probably 225.
And it's not even a real clear night. It's drizzling rain a little bit, and yeah.
Sleet.
Yeah, it's sleet, and there's a lot of moisture in there. It's halfway foggy.
I'll tell you one thing about shooting off of this stick system right here, this deadeye so far. I'm pretty impressed with it because I never took any practice shots when we shot a video today of Brandon assembling these.
Yeah.
And we didn't have any time to go take any shots, so.
Yeah. I had a little practice with it. I'm not running that gun tonight, so. Old Deadeye here is with his Deadeye sticks.
Let's go get some more, what do you say?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
That's a blast, boys. Do it again. My girls told us to go out and pick up some dinner, Brandon. They didn't have any idea what they was asking for, did they?
Nope.
We went and got some fast food.
Tell you what, that's slick how that sets up too.
Yeah. Yeah, we're loving the new tripod for sure.
Oh yeah.
And I'm loving my old buddy dragging these coons for me.
Yeah, you're lucky.
I'll see you at the truck, Brandon.
Yeah.
What a buddy. How many coons does it take to fill up a Suburban? A 1, a 2, a 3. A 3. All right. Well, we made it back to the Suburban. We got the coons. We got the guns. We got the cameras. We forgot the freaking call. It's every bit of a half mile back in this field or further, ain't it?
Yeah.
They're gonna have to go get me some water. I'm gonna hit one of these water holes, one or the other. I'm gonna go get it and I'll be back in about, say, half an hour. Send the fat guy to go get it. Good idea. Yeah. Go get the lucky duck, they say. Half a mile, they say. Yeah, right. Rick Paulette, check me out. Walked 2 miles because we forgot the revolt in the field. I got her. Now it's time to head back. It's very important to stay hydrated when you're out here walking around. We done busted out about 3 miles. Lordy. So we sent Mountain Man in the house to get us something to drink. Jamie, why don't you come on up here and top off my cup for me? If it weren't for hunting with these nincompoops, I wouldn't be able to stay awake.
You thirsty?
That's good. So, Mountain Man hooked us up. Got to stay hydrated. H2O, baby.
All right, now Keith is going after number 4. He's shot it out of a tree and it fell in the creek. Now he's going to go fishing for it. Right there, as you can see.
He's down.
Should be. You shot him in the noodle.
I shot him right between the eyes. For sure.
Right there.
4 for
Coon
4.
down. That's right. The WSM's right on the money.
Fell in the creek. What time is it? 2:30 in the morning?
Yeah. Yep.
I don't know how. I had to break out the big jacket because I got cold. For I was sweating, had to go back there and get that call out of that field. But I'm 4 for 4 on the deadeye tripod system. 4th coon down. Got a couple more up here wanting to play. We're gonna go grab them real quick. Stay with us. I'm good right here. Take him right between the eyes. You ready? Yep. Reload. Yeah, he's dead. Go to the next one. He's right there. See his ear right there? They're both right there, Jamie. They're going up. Shoot that one in the head right there. Yep. Reload. Reload. There's the other one right there going up. See him? Be a little bit tougher of a shot here, Jamie. See him? Yeah, I see him. Hold on. Okay, got him. Yeah, good spot. Your vital shot from right here from where I'm at. Right there, shoot him right up under the chin right there. Right there's your shot. At the back of the head, right there. Oh, you're gonna lose your shot. I'm gonna Texas heart shot. Right there. Got it. Reload. He's coming.
What'd you just do?
We did a triple on raccoons, all in pretty much one tree.
Brandon says, you want to let Jamie shoot? I said, yeah, I guess. I got 4. What's he do? Gets a triple.
Yeah, so I'm getting ready to go retrieve them now.
Let's go pick him up. There's one. Done?
Yep.
Lay him right there and we'll pick him up here in a second. That's a big one, ain't it?
I'm taking over here. Yeah.
There's coons laying everywhere. Let me get on the other side. Let me get around this big tree limb. Look at me, Jamie. There's 2. And there's the 3rd one. We're just gonna...
They're a little bit heavier.
Yeah. Alright. Jamie's got 3 down. And we are a long ways
From the truck.
From the truck. Mountain Man should be coming back here to help us. Jamie,
Yes.
what do you think about the tripod?
That tripod is perfect.
pretty cool, ain't it?
Yeah. And for somebody like tall like me, aiming up in a tree.
Yeah.
It worked.
So another thing that I like about this whole deal, this is a one night. I didn't bring the Ranger, we're in the Suburban. Would have been nice on this ground that's not so wet to load up all these coons, but you pack a certain amount of gear into a set with you when you go coyote hunting, fox hunting, coon hunting, whatever. A lot of times people don't really do the math that you're gonna leave with more than what you brought in. We got 3 coons here, we gotta get them out. So that tripod system being a little bit lighter, I like that. Here comes Mountain Man. We're gonna do another long drag. We got 4 down on this set. How many we got? 7? 7 coons. So we're gonna try to get 10 and a coyote and a fox. We'll see what happens.
I'm glad we went and got that critter getter.
25 grain, 17 WSM is what we're using. And you can see, ain't doing too shabby. All right, 7 ringtails down. On we go. It's only like 3:30 in the morning. What are y'all doing sleeping?
got him, Keith. There he is, there he is, there he is.
I still got the WSM 17, and I just shot my first coyote with one ever. I think Jamie got the kill on video, I'm not sure because he's running the big camera. Coyote came up beside us, no less than 100 yards. Coyote spun, took off, somebody barked. He stopped, gave me a broadside shot, half a second. I put a 25 grain ballistic tip in the biscuit. We seen him run across the field. We're gonna go over here and see if we can't pick him up. Hopefully we got a dog down with a 17 WSM.
Got him, boys. Dog down, hitting the bushes.
Oh, you got him? Where you at?
I walked right past him, man. Look at him hitting there.
Where's he at?
Right there in them burners. Look at it.
Oh, sure enough.
Man, that's a light colored dog.
Yeah, it's a small one too. Look at that. That's really so hard to find. Guess what? We got our first 17 WSM kill on a coyote.
Yep.
Oh, that was a tough one to find. Dude, look at him. Reviewed the footage, walked straight to it, and walked over top of it because I didn't want to go through the briars.
I told you I put it on him.
Yeah, you did. Man, that's a good looking dog.
Whoever barked at him and stopped him.
I don't know who that was. Might have been the old mountain man. Oh, right in the pump station, boys.
He was, look him over. Let's see.
See a kill shot.
But he turned, he was facing this way, right?
No, he was moving left.
I think he turned.
I got it on the video here.
Okay.
It might have been the exit, but I don't know.
Yeah, that's the exit.
That's the pumper right there. That's about 150 yards where it ran.
We're sitting here. Brandon's got 3 to 4 dogs spotted with a thermal 800 yards out plus probably.
Yeah.
So we're working them.
Getting ready to stalk them.
Kind of got a little bit discouraged and we thought, let's make a move on these dogs. Brandon, I don't know how many times he said it. Let's scan one more time. He threw on a little pup in distress, and Jamie's scanning over here to the right, and you hear Jamie say, right here, right here, right here.
That dog wasn't 80, 90 yards away from us.
He was coming up behind us, I guess, or getting ready to.
Yeah.
And he gave me a nice front chest shot for 3 seconds. I could have pulled the trigger, but I heard Jamie behind me running the camera. He said, just wait, just wait, just wait. So he took off on a little stride, and I think Mountain Man barked at him. He stopped, and I introduced him to the 17 WSM. You guys that are out there wondering how it does, it puts him down. We had to track him 150 yards.
That's also not the bullets that we would normally.
Yeah, it's kind of the
in-between round for that gun. It's a little slower. And
you can forget looking for blood on something like this. It's not going to happen. So luckily Brandon was on the thermal. He was going to back me up, but he didn't want to shoot in our ears. And he just watched this dog run the majority of his stride across the field, and he didn't make it 2 yards in the actual wood line, did he?
Yeah, he was tore up. I watched him the whole time, and he balled up when you shot him. He took off, and he was slowing down and getting a little bit, shook up towards the end of the run there. And I watched him just fall, but we walked over here, and he was so far up in the bushes. I walked past him 2 or 3 times. I stood here in this spot. I knew he was here. I even pulled the DVR out and reviewed the footage and said, guys, he is right here somewhere. That's where he went in.
Yeah.
And I never seen him go no farther. So
I was a little aggravated, I ain't gonna lie, coming into this stand because I lost my Crockett light. We've been retrieving coons all night and just bending over and dragging them and getting tired and taking a break, and my Crockett light fell out of my bino pack here, so I got to get another one of those. But I still got my laborer, which is what I was looking for this dog with, and Brandon found it with the Coyote Reaper headlamp.
Yep.
Awesome. We got another drag to do, boys.
All right.
Guess we better get going. We got 7 coons and 1 coyote.
All with 17.
And we got everything with the 17 WSM, is that right?
Yeah.
I've called it everything tonight, 99.7 DJX, WAMZ, it's a WSM. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure and subscribe. Catch you later.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I pray God bless. You ain't never gonna stop me.